How's it going, everybody? Today, figured I'd make a video about something very easy but yet kind of annoying. Uh, you're driving down the road, you're about to make a turn, and then this happens. And what does that mean? That means that your turn signal bulb is out. I pulled over and I checked it out. It looks like it's my right front signal that's not working. The right rear is working fine. So I'm gonna get to my spot and I'm gonna show you how to change a light bulb in a 2003 GX470. Here we go. Alright, everybody, so this one is going to be the easiest bulb replacement due to the fact that there's no battery here. The battery is over there. We don't have to change that bulb. There is a 194 bulb that I have to replace, but that's the least of my worries. The bulb in question is this one right here. So first thing you're going to have to do on a GX470 is you got to take out the cover. The cover has a push pin here and a push pin here. It's plastic, and then you got these wingtip plastic fasteners right here. Take those off, then you'll be able to take the cover off. Then reach down in here and you can see that little light right there? That's where the bulb is supposed to come out from. And then you got the bulb right there. So it's kind of hard for me to go ahead and do this by one hand. So you get kind of the gist of it. I'm going to go ahead and replace the bulb, and then I'll show you how it all comes back together. I also wanted to show you the difference on a burnt out bulb compared to a brand new bulb. I mean, of course we can see that the filament is burnt out, and that's why it's all charcoaled up inside. So that's what a new bulb looks like. I put the bulb in, so before we do put that back into the housing, I'm going to turn on the car and check to make sure that there's no other problems, because there's always a possibility of a terminal issue, but looks least likely on this one. Doesn't look like there's any corrosion. So let me go in the car and check that out. Alright, so I'm in the vehicle. Let's turn the ignition on. Right turn signal. Now that's the speed that I want to see. So it's easy as that, folks. Thanks for watching. If you have any other questions, comments, concerns, if you need help looking up parts or anything at all automotive wise, don't hesitate to give me a call or email me at info@TommyGunMotorsports. See you on the next one.